Hi, this is Faith and Literacy, and this is part 5 of helping you to use morphological analysis in order to break down words into their affixes and roots, or even to use context clues in a sentence or even surrounding sentences to help kids figure out the meaning of unknown words. So let's take a look at the 5th and final word. Our word here is transportation. Transportation. Now, let's first look at how we can break down this word in order to get a better understanding of what the word means. So, we're going to take a look at the prefix trans. Trans is Latin. That means across or beyond. Now, port is a root word, again, Latin, that means to carry. Now, ation is a suffix, and it is also Latin, that means process or action of. So, if kids are able to break down this word into its affixes and its root word, they can get a better understanding of the word that is the process of carrying across. That's transportation. Now, let's see if we can take the same word, use it in a sentence, and look at the context clues in order to figure out this unknown word. So here is the sentence. Trains, buses, and airplanes are all forms of transportation, or ways people move from one place to another. So in this sentence, we have a direct definition clue. So let's first take a look at our word. Transportation. Now, after the comma, we have or ways people move from one place to another. So in this sentence, it's actually giving us the definition. Transportation, or, right, is a way that people move from one place to another. So it's the process of carrying people across, right, from one place to another. So here, they're able to figure out that definition clue. They'll be able to know what the word transportation means. So if you like these videos, which is looking at morphological analysis in order to break down words into their prefixes, suffixes, and roots, or to actually use context clues in the sentence or even surrounding sentences of an unknown word in order to help kids figure out its meaning, let me know in the comment section and I will make more videos like this. And don't forget, like, share, and follow. Engage in my videos. Leave questions or comments. And save my videos as your favorites. All of these things help my videos to get out there more so that more people know about faith and literacy. And if you're looking for more practice in morphological analysis or other strategies and tools that your kids can do to help them to develop their spelling and vocabulary, check out my store for all resources in literacy, but in particular, my vocabulary and spelling series of books. These books will help your kids practice these types of skills and other skills that they need to help improve their vocabulary and spelling. This was Faith and Literacy. I hope you like this short mini series of morphological analysis and breaking down words. Let me know if you want more in the comments. But until then, I'm Faith and Literacy, and I'll check you later.